Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your JBL Free II with Android smartphone. So to do this, first let's go for the Bluetooth on our smartphone. You can access it through the settings or through notification bar like I'm just doing right now. Make sure that the Bluetooth is on, and right now we can move on to the earbuds. Open a case, and in most of the cases right now you should be able to pair them. Don't pair JBL Free II LE as it will only connect one of the earbuds. But if you don't see them in a list right here, like I just got Connect, you might need to remove the right earbud only, leave the left one inside. Then hold this button for the time until the LED lamp stops flashing. Like this. Then hold the same button for again till the LED lamp starts flashing. Like that. And we can see JBL Free II right now if we refresh the page. And we can connect to them. Make sure to wait till you see the pair with JBL and click on pair. From here your device should be connected. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.